Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about count and distinct and also group by. So I'm going to combine these functions in order to get better results. So here I'm going to run some queries here. So first of all, I write the basic structure, select and from, and here under from I choose the table 1, and here under select, so I choose the engine type and run the query. And here you can see I have more than 50 types of engine here. So now I want to count the number of rows. How many rows do I have? So when I apply here the count, it shows the number of rows. And run. It shows the number of rows. You can see I have 203 rows. So when I add distinct here after the count, it will show the number of engine type. So how many engine types do I have? So I just add here distinct and run. Here you can see I have 7 types of engine here. And the last one, I don't want to use the distinct, and instead of that I want to use the group by, and also I want to find from each type of engine how many do I have here. So I just use count for type of engines, and also I want to name this as number of engines, and here after select I also want to have the engine type, comma. So now I have used one function here, and also at one column here I have to use the group by function. Group by engine type and run the query. Now you can see the magic. Here you can see from each type of engine I have specific number of engines. So that's it about count and also distinct and group by. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.